I'm Logan. This is my 5th year at St. Lawrence College. My first program was Fitness and Health Promotion and absolutely loved it. I wanted to focus more on marketing, so I went into media arts just to kind of explore that, which led me into digital marketing, which is the program that I'm in currently and I'm really enjoying. My favorite thing about SLC, the shack, the gym that we have here is in really good condition. It's a lot of fun there. The athletics department, I work part-time there and it's just been a really fun time and I love all the guys. It's a really good team atmosphere. Student life is really welcoming. It's been really great being able to come onto campus and see familiar faces and meet new people and really feel kind of welcomed in this home. The city is nice. You got the water into the summers. Summers in Kingston are the best. Joining SLC is definitely something that I really recommend.